Hi, welcome to the Timeghost channel. If you're not sure what Timeghost is an intuitive, easy to use, and flexible time tracking device designed to automate as much of the time tracking process as possible and to feed you relevant data and information for your day-to-day business needs. Let me show you how. The timer in Timeghost is extremely versatile. I can create a manual time entry by clicking here on What are you working on? It gives me some suggestions already. I want to write that I'm working on an intro video. I can choose the project. I already created a few, for example, videos. I can also choose the task that I'm working on within the project, in this case, recording. I can manually choose time entries. I can choose the date as well. And when I'm ready, I can press OK and create a time entry. If you prefer a stopwatch function to record your time entries, you can click here on the stopwatch. Here I can also choose what I'm working on. I can choose from a selection of suggestions. And I can also press OK here. People love the calendar view because it gives them a great overview of everything that they're working on. Here I can create time entries or edit time entries or simply move existing time entries with drag and drop. The feed found here on the left under timer is where we automate as much of the process as we can. You can feed your feed by choosing what input you have. I've chosen to have my Microsoft Teams calls and my Outlook calendar included in my feed, but you can choose from a pre-selected list or customize it as you like. You have a choice between a day view or a week view. And by clicking on one of the entries, you can create a new time entry. You can choose from a project and post. The dashboard underneath feed is the control center of Timeghost. Here I can filter all the relevant information that I need for my project by clicking on users, on groups. I've already input some projects. I can choose a project. I can choose from clients or tasks. I've also put in some tasks in my example. You can also choose from tags, whether or not this project is billable or not. And I can also choose an audit function to find projects that I've already put in with or without projects and tasks. When I have all the relevant information that I want, I can go to the top right corner and export, where I get a PDF or Excel file with all of the relevant data and information that I want. If you're looking for a simpler view, you can simply go to Quick Edit here at the top, with all of the same options as before. So far, you've seen that I've created a few projects, but let me show you how to create your own. First, go to Projects on the left, and from here, we can create a project. Let's call it Can Do. Now I can define my project by choosing the settings that I want. I can choose whether or not this project is billable or not billable. I can decide who can see this project, whether it's public or private. And I can also choose who can create tasks within my project. I can also choose hourly rates, how much I want to charge for my time or my group's time. I can also choose group members from a predefined list of people that I've already created. When I'm ready, I have to save changes. I can also choose what kind of budget I want this project to be, whether it be task-based or manual time budget. Using a template is great if your company often uses the same steps when working on projects. To create a template, you go here on the right. You name it, and you follow the same steps as in creating a project for yourself. When you're ready, you save changes. We go back, and now I have a template, and I can create as many projects from this template as I want. You may have noticed that this entire intro video was made on Microsoft Teams. That's because Timeghost can be pinned in Microsoft Teams for easy access. Timeghost is also 100% compatible with all of your Microsoft 365 products. The features I've just shown you in this intro will get you started, but to learn more, check out my videos below or book a live demo today. Thanks for watching, everyone.